Mga ate at mga kuya, welcome back to Kuya Puto's channel. So it's no big secret, lately po, pag merong kayong narinig na kabalastugan na nangyayari, yung pong focus laging dun sa mga pinsan natin sa Brampton. Pero meron pong nangyari just lately, sa Fraser River po, sa Canada, involved mga Pinoy. Kawatan ba tong mga Pinoy na to? Or, you know what, you be the judge. Dahil nagka-black eye, dahil sa sock-eye, salmon. Let's watch this video. So tayo pong mga Pinoy, by nature, hindi po tayo palaaway. Even though meron tayong Manny Pacquiao, pambansang kamao, overall, tingin sa atin ng mga Canadians, mababait at mga respectful na tao po tayo. Pero, minsan, hindi maiiwasan, mapupuno talaga yung tao on any given situation. So, meron pong insidente na nangyari sa Fraser River, dito sa Canada, where, you know, nag-aaway-away sila, nagka-rumble-rumble. Hey! 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 Really? So, ito pong Fraser River na to, it's a popular spot sa fishing. Primarily, sockeye salmon yata, nahuhuli nila doon. And marami pong mga tao na mahilig mangisda. Doon sila pumupunta. Iba't ibang lahi, hindi lang po puti, pati mga Pilipino. Nagkataon po, couple days ago, meron pong insidenteng nangyari doon sa Fraser River sa British Columbia. And it involved a group of Filipinos. And napaaway po sila against a group of mga Canadians na mga puti na mga fishermen.
There we go.
TikTok!
Oh, there you go. They're pushing.
This is Saga for you. They're covering it. Hey! Yo! No fish is worth a fucking assault charge! Yo, are we not fucking good, man? What the fuck is this shit? Break it up! 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 Everybody let go! Let go! We're breaking it up! I got it all on fucking video! Break it up! Break it up! Break it up! Away! Dude, it's not an assault charge! Walk away! Dude, it's fucking pink salmon. It's not an assault charge! It's no assault charge! It's a pink salmon! Dude, don't fight!
So guys, ganito ang pagkakaiba ng mga Pinoy at mga Canadians na puti na napansin ko. Lalo na pagdating sa away. Yung pong mga Canadians na puti, and I think I can speak for this because dito na po ako lumaki. And napansin ko po sa kanila, mahilig sila mangduro. Lalo na kung galit na galit sila. So mumurahin ka, you know, tutulak ka, you know, titignan ka ng masama. Pero overall, they're very reluctant to throw the first punch. Mahilig po lang sila talaga mangduro. Pero deep down inside, siguro kasi alam nila na if they throw the first punch, malaking gulo to, lalo na kung masaktan ko yung isang tao dahil, next thing you know, baka mademanda pa ako. The majority of Canadians po, yun po iniisip nila. That's why, very, very peaceful people dahil we don't want to be in trouble with the law and we don't want to have to face any lawsuits, and karamihan po ganun ang mindset, right? Napansin ko naman po sa mga Pilipino, lalo na yung mga buo loob, they don't think as much. They're more willing to engage, lalo na po kung, medyo nasaktan yung damdamin dahil pinagmumura or, he got threatened. Pinoys by nature are more emotional. Yes, and they're more, how do I say, quick to react, right? Lalo na talaga kung, like I said, feel natin, dinuduro tayo, feel natin, they're disrespecting us, right? And I think that's what happened here. And as you can see, nagramble-ramble sila, typical fight, ang daming, bystanders that are trying to break the fight. Because that's what everybody wants, is peace, diba? And kahit na anong away sa street or anywhere that's not a professional setting like a UFC fight or a boxing fight, marami po talaga mga bystanders na, they're gonna try to break the two people apart, right?
Hey! Okay, I'm not getting involved in that. Yo, let's go. Break it up, man. Break it up. Come on now. Break it up. No. Let's all turn for a pink salmon. Come on. Let's go. We're going for that income. Enough. This is why you don't fight. It's not worth fighting. Dude, you guys know we're already on fucking TikTok now? Look at all these people filming. Oh, you stupid fucks are gonna be on TikTok for that.
I think nangyari kasi ganito. Yung pong Canadian na puti, nasaktan siguro yung ego because you can see, binugbog po siya ng Pinoy. Yung pong pinsa natin, yung pong kabayan natin na Pinoy, as you can tell, maliit po siya kumpara dun sa Canadian na puti. And siguro inisip ng Canadian na puti, ang liit-liit na itong taong to, kayang-kaya ko to, right? Pero, yung pong Pinoy, pagdating sa away, yung puso, buo eh. Diba? Yung po kasi mga Pinoy, pagdating sa away, yung talagang rumble, it's all in. It's all in because we're very emotional people, right? And I noticed anyways, we're quick to jump the gun, right? So, as you can see, nag-rumble sila. And yung pong puti, duguan. I mean, si kabayan natin, he went UFC style on him, right? Mounted him. Kita nyo, dugo-dugo yung mukha ni Canadian na puti.
On the butt? Huh? One-on-one. Stop! 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 Why do you keep on going? Yeah, stop it. Stop. Why do you keep on going? That's a pretty good. Why do you keep on going, man? You live now. No, just you're not stopping. Stop it, man. It's okay.
Dude, we're fishing, man. Come on. What the fuck, guys? Calm down. We're fishing. Break the fuck up.
So, Kuya Puto, do you think magbabago yung tingin ng mga Canadians sa atin dahil ito, nagiging viral na tong video na to? By the way, I'm not the first one to feature this on YouTube. I don't think so. I think isolated incident to. Mainit ang ulo neto. Mainit ang ulo niya, nagkarambulan. At the end, nawala na yung adrenaline, di ba? Nalabas na yung sama ng loob. And everybody goes on their merry way. I just hope, yung pong makakapanood nito, lalo ni mga kabayan natin, iwasan yung ganitong mga incidents. Iwasan yung mga ganitong situations. Dahil peace is better. Dahil makikipag-away ka sa kapwa mo, wala kang mararating dyan. Magkakasaktanan lang kayo and maybe even magkademandahan pa kayo at the end. Ang laking sakit ng ulo yan, right? Over what? Over a fish? I understand egos got involved, but sometimes cooler heads hopefully will always prevail. What do you think? Comment down below.